Hello, children. I am Teacher Niel. Let us learn a new lesson today. Our lesson is from the most essential learning competencies. Are you ready for our new adventure today? Great! Let's go! Our school is having a field trip today. We will drive around the community. My pupils are here with me. This is Lito.
Hello.
And this is Lisa.
Hi.
They are both grade 2 pupils, just like you. How are you feeling today, Lito and Lisa?
We are doing great, Teacher Niel. I am excited for our field trip today.
That's great. Oh, look! The bus is already here. Let's go! Children, this is Mang Ambo. He is our driver for today. Can you say hi to him?
Hi, Mang Ambo.
Hello, Teacher Niel. Hello, children. Are you ready for our field trip today?
Yes, Mang Ambo. We are very excited.
Teacher Niel, I have a question. What does a driver do?
Lisa, a driver is a person that drives a vehicle.
That's right, Lisa. I drive a bus and I help people go to wherever they want to go.
That is correct. And a person or a driver that drives a vehicle does this. Can you do this, children? Let's drive a bus. Beep, beep.
Teacher Niel, I noticed that whenever we say drive, it makes us move.
That is correct. The word drive expresses an action. And if a word expresses or let us do an action, it is called a verb. Let us discover more action words or verbs along the way. Let's go!
Drive around the town searching for some verbs. Verbs are called action words that make us dance and move. Drive around the town searching for some verbs. Verbs are called action words that make us dance and move.
Where are we, Teacher Niel?
I smell some delicious food.
Kids, can you tell us where we are? This place has waiters, chefs, and people come here for the delicious food. Where are we? Right, we are at a restaurant. This is Chef Tintin. She cooks the food here.
Hello, Chef Tintin.
Hello, children. Hello, Teacher Niel.
Teacher Niel, I heard that Chef Tintin cooks food. The word cook is an action word.
That's right, Lito. Good job. The word cook is an action word. Cook is a verb. Kids, can you show me how a person cooks food? Right, it's like this. Can you do this with me? Great.
Teacher Niel, it's time to go.
Oh no! Let's go, kids. Bye, Chef Tintin.
Bye, kids.
Drive around the town searching for some verbs. Verbs are called action words that make us dance and move.
Oh, this is my favorite place. We are at the basketball court.
That is correct, Lisa. We are at a basketball court. We are going to meet somebody here.
Teacher Niel, this is my Kuya Andy.
Hello, Kuya Andy. What are you doing here?
I'm playing basketball. I like to play when I'm here at the basketball court.
Teacher Niel, I noticed something. The word play is an action word.
You're doing great, Lisa. Good job. The word play is an action word. Play is a verb. Kids, can you show me a person that plays with the ball? You're doing great. Oh. Kids, a verb is a word that expresses or let us do an action. To understand this further, let us sing a song.
A verb is an action that makes us move. Action word, action word. A verb is an action that makes us move. Action word.
The first word is drive.
Drive is an action that makes us move. Action word, action word. Drive is an action that makes us move. Action word.
The second word is cook.
Cook is an action that makes us move. Action word, action word. Cook is an action that makes us move. Action word.
The third word is swim.
Swim is an action that makes us move. Action word, action word. Swim is an action that makes us move. Action word.
The next word is dance.
Dance is an action that makes us move. Action word, action word. Dance is an action that makes us move. Action word.
The next word is talk.
Talk is an action that makes us move. Action word, action word. Talk is an action that makes us move. Action word.
The next word is sing.
Sing is an action that makes us move. Action word, action word. Sing is an action that makes us move. Action word.
The next word is eat.
Eat is an action that makes us move. Action word, action word. Eat is an action that makes us move. Action word.
The last word is run. Let's go.
Run is an action that makes us move. Action word, action word. Run is an action that makes us move. Action word.
That's all for today, children. I hope you learned something today. See you soon.
A verb is an action that makes us move. Action word, action word. A verb is an action that makes us move. Action word.